At Northern Trust, we help many of the wealthiest individuals achieve their most important goals through goals-based investing. Every investment should serve a purpose. Our focus isn't on generating a specific return per se. Our criteria for success is when the goal is achieved. These goals may include travel, annual charitable donations, college expenses, or covering minimum living expenses. The common denominator is that they require consistent, recurring cash flows to achieve them. Distributing ladder ETFs, an innovative new investment solution, can serve as a simple cash flow management tool for achieving these goals. These tax-exempt or inflation-linked ETFs are designed to pay monthly income like traditional bond ladders. What makes them different is that through an investment in a single ETF, they are designed to return principal annually over a variety of preset time periods up to 30 years. This hypothetical example shows parents with the goal of covering annual college expenses for a child, using a 5-year tax-exempt distributing ladder ETF to manage annual cash flow while staying invested. Each year, for 5 years, they receive monthly tax-exempt income and an annual principal distribution to cover college expenses. You face a number of investment choices and risks when creating a goal-driven plan for your clients. Distributing ladder ETFs are designed for purposeful investing to achieve the goals that matter the most to your clients.